Well, hello there, my darlings. Welcome back to Time Traveling Housewife. Today, we're scrubbing away the modern mess with some old-fashioned charm. Back in the 1930s, during the Great Depression, store-bought cleaners were a luxury many couldn't afford. So, homemakers rolled up their sleeves and got creative with simple, natural ingredients. And guess what? These vintage cleaning solutions still work wonders today, and they're budget-friendly and chemical-free. Let's make our homes sparkle the 1930s way. Let's get started. First up, the ultimate all-purpose cleaner, perfect for countertops, sinks, and even windows. Here are the ingredients you will need. 1 cup white vinegar, 1 cup water, a peel of 1 lemon for a fresh scent, and a 16-ounce spray bottle. Fill your spray bottle halfway with white vinegar and top it off with water. Add in some lovely lemon peels for that fresh, clean scent. Give it a little shake, and voila! Spray and wipe for a sparkling clean. Who knew vinegar could be so glamorous? Next, let's tackle those stubborn stains with a baking soda scrub. Here are the ingredients you will need. Half cup baking soda, a few drops of water, and this is optional. Add a few drops of lavender oil for a soothing scent. Let's start by scooping baking soda into a small jar. Add just enough water to make a paste. Mix in a few drops of lavender oil if you're feeling fancy. Then give it a good stir. Can be stored away with lid tightly secure for several weeks. This scrub is tough on grime, but oh so gentle on your surfaces. Now, let's make those mirrors and windows sparkle like a 1930s Hollywood starlet. Here are the ingredients you will need to make glass cleaner: 1 cup water, 1 tablespoon vinegar, 1 tablespoon rubbing alcohol. Mix water, vinegar, and rubbing alcohol in a spray bottle. Spritz and wipe with a lint-free cloth or even newspaper, just like Grandma used to do. Now that's a reflection worth admiring. See how easy it is to keep a sparkling home with just a few simple ingredients? Not only are these Depression-era cleaners effective, but they're also safe, sustainable, and oh so thrifty. Who needs store-bought when you've got a little vintage know-how, right? If you enjoyed today's trip back in time, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that little bell so you never miss a moment of vintage magic. And tell me in the comments, which of these cleaners are you excited to try? Until next time, stay fabulous and keep shining, my dears. Bye-bye.